Hello everyone and welcome. In this session, we will learn how to change the parametric values for Revit model elements using Dynamo. This will be achieved through a simple hands-on exercise, and I will apply it on this Revit sample project. The idea of the exercise is to add a comment for all the selected furniture, stating in which room each piece of furniture is located. You will be introduced to new nodes that are used for many applications. Starting with Level 1 floor plan, I will duplicate the view. Then isolate the rooms and the furniture. I will keep the sections as well, to check whether the rooms cover the exact volume of each area. In the kitchen and dining room, the room height is 4,000 millimeters, starting from the Level 1. To check if the information is accurate, you might create a cross-section. Again, change the scale. The room has to extend from the floor and up to the ceiling. The ceiling level is 2,700 millimeters, while the floor level is at 0. The height of the room surpasses the ceiling height and shall be updated. This is by changing the limit offset to be 2,700 millimeters. Now I will check this room. This room shall start from -550 millimeters with reference to Level 1. While the ceiling is 2,150 millimeters when measuring from the same level. I will modify the room's information. Starting with Dynamo, I will be making a solution for a single room, then modify it to be more comprehensive. Create 2 selection nodes, one for furniture and the other for the rooms. Isolate the rooms for selection. Then select one room. Now isolate the furniture. Then select single element to understand the process. This node is used to determine if the center point of an element is inside the room. Connect the room directly, then find the center of the selected furniture. Then use Watch Node. To understand where the exact location of this point, get back to Revit and open the family of your selected furniture. The point exactly at the intersection point of the reference planes. And its elevation at the reference level. For this family, it is exactly here. Back to Dynamo, I will test the script using the Watch node. For the true result, the selected furniture locates inside the room. In the section view, a small point appears under the selected furniture. If the point inside the room, then the furniture inside as well. But when we move it out, the script result will turn to false. If the point inside the room, then the element is considered inside as well. This is also the case if it is on the boundaries. By selecting all the elements inside the room, the result will be in form of list. And true for all the elements. Now I will be selecting all the furniture elements in the level 1 floor. Then add one of the most useful nodes in Dynamo. This node will classify the selected elements based on a true or false condition. We can then add the room information comment to the right elements. Here the true-false condition were added. The items with true mask index will be sorted up, while the others will be down. The elements will be the furniture. Now we can create our new list. Then use this node to fill in the comments field. This is by using the string node to define the comments parameter for the furniture. I will combine the name and the number information for the rooms to write a logical sentence. This is by extracting these information first from the room. The names and the numbers. You can add more information in the string format for further clarification. Then use the plus to combine your statements. The watch node to see your results. Then repeat this couple of times to get your final results. Now the comment is ready. We can assign it to the filtered elements. After running the script, this error appears because some of the elements are in groups. The solution is simple, ungrouping them. Now all the elements inside the selected room have a comment value indicating their location. You can modify this comment immediately. The result will be changing on Revit as well. While for the furniture outside the selected room, the comment values will not be changed. This is the end for this session. We will make further improvements to this script in the upcoming sessions. Thank you.